Hi guys, today we are working on a 2020 Mitsubishi Mirage. I'll be changing the motor mount. The engine is shaking a little bit, so I'll be changing the motor mount. This is 10 millimeter. Should probably disconnect the battery. Yeah, let me do that real quick. Okay, so this is disconnected, and I believe these are all 14 millimeter. So I'm going to start removing them. Before you do this, please don't forget to support your engine at the bottom with a jack. And okay, so okay, this is off, and I have 4 more. Okay, let me just use quickly. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's off. Okay, this is off. Okay, and one more here. Okay. That is off. I lost one bolt when I grab it real quick. It's nice to have this tool that allow you to, has a magnet that allow you to grab stuff. See? So I was able to grab it without issue. Now I'm gonna remove. I'm gonna start lifting the engine a bit. I need to look up the torque spec online. I don't know the torque spec for this vehicle. Need to look it up to tighten this accordingly. So oh, there's one more left here. That should do it. Okay. Let's remove these two here. Okay. Okay, this is off. Okay. Alright, so here's the old engine mount. It's off. You can see that it's damaged. It shouldn't be moving like this. And we can clean the surface a little bit. Okay. Okay. Guess it's clean enough. We can go ahead and install the new engine mount. Okay. Alright, you start putting this bolt in. Oh man, hold on. Okay. See how this tool is helpful to drop the bolt in there. And I'm going to just turn it a little bit so I can start sealing that in there. No tightening, just a little bit. And then this one is going in next. We're using the magnet grabber to drop the screw in there. Uh-oh. Okay. Let's try again. Okay, it's in. Okay. It's in. So I'm going to try to screw that in also a little bit. The same thing here. You have to be able to push the engine. Let me see if I can. Okay. Yeah, the adjustment is the hardest part. Yeah, it's gonna go in, don't worry. Okay. Alright, so you just need to connect the remaining part. I think this one goes over here. It's 10 millimeter. These are all 14, by the way. So let's see. Okay. That's the issue with aftermarket parts. Let me find another bolt to put there. That'll be it, guys. If you have any question, please leave in the comment. Please like and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm just gonna hook this up here, and that should do it.